Welcome to Best Choice. The best Murad Skincare is probably one of the most talked about skincare brands, and for good reason. With a focus on science-backed formulas and visible results, Murad has become a go-to for many seeking effective solutions for various skin concerns. From anti-aging to acne treatment, their product range is extensive, and the brand's commitment to innovation keeps them at the forefront of the skincare industry. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Murad, exploring what makes their products so popular and whether they live up to the hype. Number 5. QRxLabs Acne Clearing Pads. Introducing QRxLabs Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Pads. They feature a potent blend of glycolic and salicylic acid. These pads are designed for those seeking science-driven skincare solutions. Infused with vitamins B5, C, and E, these pads hydrate and reinforce the skin's natural barrier. They protect your complexion from environmental stressors. These salicylic acid pads are designed for seamless use. They have a non-woven texture suitable for daily use across all skin types. Each jar contains 50 pads, making them a convenient addition to any skincare regimen. Enriched with green tea and calendula extracts, these pads exemplify advanced skincare innovation. Trust in this solution for addressing various skin concerns effectively. Elevate your skincare routine with these dual-action exfoliating pads. They enhance skin texture and clarity. Suitable for everyday use, they provide a reliable method for achieving a smoother, more refined complexion. What we like. These pads are designed to exfoliate and clear acne. They hydrate and protect your skin with essential vitamins. If you're struggling with acne or looking for a convenient daily solution, you should consider these pads. They make it easy to maintain clear and healthy skin. What people say. This product is amazing. It has helped with my acne and has made my skin so smooth. I have been using this product for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in my skin. Number 4. Bliss Vitamin C plus Tri-Peptide Bright Idea Serum. Introducing a daily serum for a brighter face and a healthy dose of vitamin C. This serum is ideal for all skin types. It will visibly illuminate your skin. Get glowing skin with this potent vitamin C serum. It works to brighten your complexion with antioxidant-rich vitamin C. It also helps to protect collagen. This serum includes a professional spa-grade blend of brightening vitamin C. It also has patented tripeptides to boost and protect collagen levels. Green tea extract provides a boost of antioxidants. Get a youthful glow in one step with this facial serum. It helps to brighten your complexion and boost skin's elasticity. It also diminishes the appearance of imperfections. Massage onto clean, dry skin morning and night, avoiding the eye area. Follow with Bright Idea Moisturizer if desired. Remember to keep it in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. What we like. This serum boosts brightness and elasticity. It contains a professional spa-grade blend of vitamin C and peptides. If you like a simple routine and want a youthful glow in one step, you should consider the serum. It will help you achieve visibly firmer and brighter skin. What people say. This product has significantly improved the texture of my skin. The serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It has helped to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 3. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. This serum uses vitamin C to combat free radicals and promote collagen production. It helps to reduce the appearance of uneven skin tone, dark spots, and fine lines, resulting in a brighter complexion. The formula combines vitamin C with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe vera, and jojoba oil. This blend helps to balance moisture levels, strengthen the skin's barrier, and provide a comfortable feel while visibly brightening the skin. It utilizes a highly stable form of vitamin C, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, to maintain its effectiveness. This also helps to minimize potential irritation compared to other vitamin C serums. Designed for daily use, this serum works to improve uneven skin tone, dark spots, and dullness. Over time, it supports a smoother texture and a more refreshed appearance. This unscented serum is designed for effective skin care without unnecessary ingredients. It is free from parabens, dyes, and harsh additives. It is also cruelty-free and made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, and is dermatologist and clinically tested. What we like. This serum uses a brightening formula to improve the look of uneven tone and dark spots. It's also hydration boosted, supporting your skin barrier. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective solution for brighter skin, you should consider this serum. It will help you achieve a more refreshed complexion. What people say. The product effectively addressed skin concerns. The skincare line delivered noticeable improvements in skin texture and appearance. The product is designed for various skin types. Number 2. ARTNATURALS Vitamin C Serum 4-piece set. Introducing a powerful skincare set featuring vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. This set is designed to provide comprehensive anti-aging, skin brightening, and hydration benefits. It's perfect for anyone seeking smoother, firmer, and more youthful skin. This set is infused with retinol and vitamin C to combat signs of aging. It boosts collagen production and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps the skin, helping to restore a youthful complexion. You'll see visible results in weeks. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and locks in moisture. Vitamin C and niacinamide work together to brighten and even out skin tone. It helps you say goodbye to dark spots and uneven pigmentation for clearer, glowing skin. This is ideal for improving skin texture and restoring a healthy, luminous look. This serum set is made with high-quality, safe ingredients. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, ensuring you treat your skin with the best. Proudly made in the USA, it delivers purity and performance you can trust. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this 4-piece skincare set is suitable for you. It's gentle yet effective, designed to balance your skin's natural moisture. Use it to brighten your complexion and combat the visible signs of aging. Enjoy smooth, glowing skin with a healthy and safe regimen. What we like. This set offers a complete skincare routine with retinol, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. It targets signs of aging and reduces wrinkles. If you're looking for a comprehensive anti-aging solution, you should consider this set. It will help you achieve smoother, firmer, and more youthful skin. What people say. This product has significantly improved the texture of my skin. The serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. I've noticed a visible reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Number 1. Murad Essential C Overnight Barrier Repair Cream. This is the Murad Essential C Overnight Barrier Repair Cream. It's a nightly moisturizer designed to repair damage while you sleep. The cream helps to brighten and smooth your face overnight. The cream is infused with vitamin C. This powerful ingredient helps to protect your skin from environmental damage. It also promotes a more radiant complexion. This cream also features marubium plant stem cells. They work to defend your skin against pollution. This helps to keep your skin healthy and protected. Apply this cream before bed. It works overnight to repair your skin's barrier. You'll wake up with a smoother, brighter face. With consistent use, you'll notice a visible improvement. The cream helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Your skin will feel softer and look more radiant. The product comes in a 1.7 fluid ounces container. It's the perfect size for your nightly skincare routine. Make it a part of your nightly ritual. What we like. This cream repairs damage overnight with vitamin C and marubium. It helps you achieve brighter and smoother skin. If you are looking for a nightly moisturizer to repair and rejuvenate your skin, you should consider this cream. It will leave your face feeling refreshed and revitalized. What people say. The product effectively addressed acne concerns. The skincare line improved skin texture and clarity. The product is designed for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.